Hello everyone. What is the correct usage of let's and let's with an apostrophe s we will see today. The first word let's with apostrophe. It is the contracted form or short form of let us. It is used to make suggestions or suggestion. Whenever you want to do something along with someone and you make a suggestion, you use this word let apostrophe s. For example, let's bake donuts. It is the short form of let us. It is let us bake donuts. Or let's have our first meeting tonight. The next word let's without an apostrophe. This is a verb and it is used with a third person singular pronoun. What is the third person? Third person is he, she, or it. So whenever he, she, or it is singular, you use the word let's. The verb let's mean to allow or to give permission. And just like I said, it is used with he, she, or it. For example, she lets everyone in during rain. He never lets me watch my favorite TV show. She and he both are third person singular, and here lets without an apostrophe is used. Now it is your turn to answer me which one is correct in the following sentences. Whether you will use let's with an apostrophe s, which is the short form of or contracted form of let us, or you will use the let's as a verb. First one is blank join you all tonight. Which one will it be? It is with apostrophe. Let's join you all tonight or let us join you all tonight. Next, my mother blank me play video games on Sundays. It is without an apostrophe. My mother lets me play video games on Sundays. The next one, my father always blanks make me make my own decisions. My father always lets me make my own decisions. Next is, I have brought a new puzzle. Blank, solve it together. It is, I have brought a new puzzle. Let's, with an apostrophe s, let us solve it or let's solve it together. A small tip, if you look at the verb lets, the verb lets always need a pronoun after that. My mother lets me play video games. My father always lets me make my own decisions. So in case of verb lets, you always need a pronoun after that. While in case of let's, the contracted form of let us, you don't need a pronoun after that word.